Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI and I am a seltzer addict. I really drink it all the time. This is one of my favorites. This is from Bubly. This is a variety pack. You actually get 18 cans and they are all delicious. This pack is called Passionfruit Bliss and it comes with the Passionfruit seltzer. It comes with the Grapefruit and it comes with lime. So you get all three flavors, you get 6 cans of each. And let me tell you, they are so delicious. So I love these because they are just natural sparkling water. There is no artificial flavors or anything like that. There's no sugars or fake sugar additives. It's just bubbly water and natural flavors. I love the bubbles. They are just amazing. I don't know why, but I tend to drink more water if I drink seltzer. It just goes down a lot easier and is just better for me to keep up with my hydration. So I always keep seltzer around, and the Bubly is definitely one of my favorites. The flavors are so wonderful. So you can just drink the seltzer as is from the can. Sometimes I like to put it in a glass with some fresh citrus. You can also use these in your cocktails, which is really amazing as well. And I sometimes like to add the lime to a little bit of grapefruit juice for a really nice citrus spritzer. So if you are looking for an amazing variety pack of bubbly seltzer, I would definitely check this one out because they are delicious. That's my point of view.